In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. This way you will switch off or on vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate on Silent to switch off or on vibrations while your device is muted. Then select Haptics and Tones. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to System Haptics to switch off or on haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!